Okay, it's the Art Monarch. We're here today building a very important structure. This is the Art Monarch facility. It is a gigantic, massive mansion, and it's also a few other things that I'll talk about later on. But obviously, if you're running a multi-trillion-dollar corporation, you have to have very high-octane operations, very big buildings, huge, gigantic, massive infrastructure, and this is what we're doing here. This is a very large palace, and there are a lot of corridors, tunnels, and pathways. You may get lost, so we are going to also create a map to go along with this blueprint here. So later on when the employees want to come in, they can actually find their way around. But there are some parts that are intentionally built to confuse you and make you get lost in this huge, gigantic mansion. So it's the Art Monarch Palace, and there's also, it's not a complete full drawing, and in fact, it's really just half done here, but you can see there's a UFO office. That's where all the very important business goes down. Look, if you're a gigantic corporation, you've got to have a very expensive place, okay? This is a $1 trillion industry here, and we're mass producing these pieces of art, so this is the place. Here in the Art Monarch Corporation, we are not just making art, we are also leading the next generation of art monarchians. So this factory will be massive, gigantic. It will stretch across the entire planet, and once we are finished, we should have pretty much everyone that wants to be an artist. They'll be pretty good, or decent. That's the plan. But really we want to make this $1 trillion company into a duodecillion, an octillion dollar company. That's what we're in the business of. That's what all of these corporations, like myself, strive for. So that's a drawing here. It's not finished. It's like half complete.